Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to clear the contents for a worksheet in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokémon dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the dataset has finished loading, I'm going to go to my worksheet highlighted here in orange called Sheet 1 in the bottom left-hand corner. And now I'm going to create a visualization. So I'm just going to drag the measure against electric to columns. And I'm going to drag name here to rows and apply a filter to name. So I'm just going to select the first three Pokemons with the letter A at the very beginning. And it's going to show me the first three Pokemons with the letter A and the against electric measure values. Now to clear all the content, so that includes what's in the columns, what's in the rows, and what's in the filter, I can manually delete it one at a time by clicking on each field and hitting the delete key on your keyboard, or to delete it all at once, we can go to the top panel and this option here with a bar graph and a cross, hovering over it, it will show a pop-up called Clear Sheet. We click on Clear Sheet. This will clear all the contents in the worksheet. An alternative is using a shortcut here, which is Alt plus Shift and Backspace, and this will also clear all the contents in the worksheet. So there you have it. This is how you can clear contents in a Tableau Public Desktop Edition worksheet.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.